After getting back from the Maryland trip, there was just enough time to shoot a few skateboard-related movies, do some pool maintenance, and get the yard back in order. Because I have to repack to take Yvonne on her vacation. I found a little beach house on vacasa.com, and it's back across the state where I had just come home from, but she wanted to go to New Smyrna Beach, and I don't mind. But before we go, I've got to fill these holes in my skate shoes first. This is like the 6th time. Really, I need to buy some new shoes soon. On the road again. I tell you what, after driving around 3,000 miles over the last few weeks, a couple hundred miles feels like nothing. Wow, I didn't expect this place to be this nice. There's tons of space out here in the common areas, dope living room, dining room, and kitchen. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Super clean. This is way better than some of the hotels I've stayed in, and way cheaper. Vacasa for the win. We get the whole house with the yard and the beach right across the street.
So I'll be honest with y'all, I thought this was going to be, like, bad, but this is really, really nice. The wind chimes are nervous.
So we hooked back up with Alan and went to the Whistle Stop skate park. My boy's getting good, man. We tried to go skating one more time at this rainbow park, but it rained for like 5 minutes right before we got there, and there were too many puddles that were impossible to see. We called it and went to dinner instead. We're obviously doing a little work while we're here, but right now we're taking a break from this and grabbing a cup of coffee and checking out some art galleries around town. Let's go!
Can I get like the biggest, coldest, most espresso-filled caffeine banger? Okay, so I'm gonna be making some dinner, pork chops and rice with string beans, but I need garlic for the pork chops and I need string beans for the string beans. Yeah, and I think there's a Publix around here somewhere, but we'll find it. I'll just boost until we find it. I'm hoping we're close to the Publix. We'll see. I found it! Thank God we don't have to ride on this rough shit forever. That was the biggest crack on the planet. And while we're in here, there's this place called Limoncello. I want to go see what the hell that is. It's an Italian restaurant. That's what it is. Right, I passed it yesterday.
Over a year ago, have not stopped talking about it since. Has not been back. But we're here for the first time in over a year because I love it that much.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna hit it up tomorrow then. Thanks. Now the trick is going to be getting back before the sun actually goes down, and I won't be able to see where the hell I'm going. So we tried a few long exposure shots while we were out there. It's nice to unwind, spend some time with Yvonne away from our responsibilities, to just exist for a moment.
I know I cannot see it through. I got my head on straight, so you
Let time slow down.
lose. Disco biscuits in my little tooth. I got this throbbing headache and I'll bend the truth.
And appreciate the now. If there's anything to have learned doing these videos and activities over these years, it's that time is fleeting. These videos are the impetus and the permission to go do stuff and to make things. Then create these little time capsules and post them.
Off the edge. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me.
Good.
Spotting on my screen.
We make most of our videos to help or inspire you guys to go do stuff too. But as time goes, videos also become like a family photo album capturing phases of life. And just like the photos in your albums, it's not what's going on in the picture, but what's going on in life when that picture was taken.
Look around and tell me what
on. Don't look behind you.
Wow.
The biggest blessing I can imagine is creating these heirlooms of our actual lives.
You can look, but please don't touch, chase, or feed, or give water to us.
Moments that, barring a global EMP, I'll have for the rest of my life. They could theoretically exist forever. Alright, we got serious there, but the point is making dope memories with your family and loved ones is worth everything. Make the time. Be present and engaged.
Oh my god, it's squishy. Oh, swallow it down.
And I hope that you watch this, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better.
Did you like the part? Oh, yeah. Good.
You got everything you want, but you still chase it all and all. Seen that stop for nothing, man.
Hey, next time is the entry-level pad Face Off, and photo editing concepts after that. Keep an eye out for that stuff and more. In the meantime, don't forget to unniche yourself and do more. Give it a shot, a squid shot.